What's going on, guys? Just wanted to show you an update video of the 2023 Jeep Wrangler. The bumpers, winch, lights are all on, and I think I'm pretty much done with this, so it's probably time to sell it. I am kind of missing my whole motorcycle thing like I knew I would. I do love the Jeep, it is awesome. Fuel wheels, Toyo tires, those are 35s. That Icon lift ended up being about 4¼ inches. Now that I put the bumpers and everything on there, I think I'm about 3½ inches of lift. My Moto built fuel can carrier. Bumpers. I had to make that custom plate mount. I blacked out the tail lights with 3M tint, so it's still see-through. All the lights, I actually just put a light back here, which is pretty good, pretty nice. Back there. So yeah, I feel like I'm pretty much done with it, so I'm almost think it's time to sell it. I only have about 1,400 miles on it so far. I've had it since December. Is it May now? Middle of May. Integrated switches into that grab handle, which is awesome for my lights. Those control the pillar lights, the front lights on the bumper, and that rear light on the spare tire carrier. That is a tire carrier, so there's no weight on the tailgate any longer. This is nice. So there it is, guys. Just wanted to give you a quick update. Nothing special on the inside as far as anything I've done. So this is my 3rd or 4th Jeep now, and man, they did a really nice job with this. They did a really nice job with it. There's the Icon suspension. This thing rides like an absolute dream. Everybody talks about how the 2-doors are so rough, this, that, and the other thing. This thing drives like I'm on a cloud, man. It's awesome. Drives awesome. A little more detail on the that bumper. Rugged ridge front and rear bumpers. Which really all I did was, it wasn't matter, you know, as far as the cost goes. It was just a matter how I liked the look, and these 2 bumpers I liked the look the most of. There's tons and tons of choices, but I think these came out really nice in the way they look. Yeah, I think it's got a perfect stance now. It rides like a dream. Still getting almost 16 miles to the gallon with these 35s on it. This does have that e-torque, which, you know, I was skeptical about at first, but I think it gives it like 90 foot-pounds more of torque. And I mean, it'll constantly, when I take off, I have to, you know, take my foot off the gas because it just like will spin the tires. It's incredibly powerful for such a big Jeep. Well, I mean, you know, height and tire size wise, obviously it's just a 2-door, but man, it hauls butt. It's got the 3.6 in it, but that e-torque does something to it, because my last 3.6, I know they revamped the engine, it just did not feel like this one, that's for sure. So yeah, I think I'm just about done with it. As far as any upgrades, blacked out the front blinkers there. Thing is amazing at night with all the lights on it. I've actually, all the lights are, the stock lights are all LED bulbs in there as well. So when I go down my my road, it, you know, I could see it a mile away. But yeah, that's it, guys. But I'll be honest with you, I am missing my motorcycle. As I said in my last video, it's getting kind of old. I've got nobody to ride with anymore, which, like I said, I've got one buddy that's got a Tenere 700, and you know, he rides some, but you know, none of my buddies other than him have bikes anymore. So I was kind of figuring, oh, what the hell do I want a bike for? I've got nobody to ride with anymore. But I don't know, we'll see. I am definitely missing riding, and I don't know, and my wife will kill me if I go and just buy another bike on top of just buying this. So I probably will get rid of this before I buy another bike, and I don't know if I'm ready to do that quite yet or not. It is a fun vehicle. Everybody enjoys going out on it. I really did think I'd drive it more, but I just, you know, between life and work and all that, it's just tough to even, which is crazy, but I don't know. I actually find myself going out in it like I used to do with my motorcycles, just going for a ride. So we'll see. Anyways, guys, there it is. Love the way it turned out. I had 4-wheel parts to do the lifts, but I did the bumpers and the lights and all that stuff. I just don't have the tools for the lift, and I'll be quite honest with you, I didn't really even want to do it. I just don't have time. I don't really have time for the bumpers either, but I just, knowing that I can do those with the tools that I got, I just couldn't pay for it. So, and I really took my time on them, did some extra things I know they wouldn't have done. I put some, you know, some extra wiring for the lights and all that in it, so when I did get the lights in, they were all ready to go, and I didn't have to rerun them. So, all right, guys, there she is. See ya.